Okay, welcome to our Consolidata onboarding tutorial. In here, I'm going to show you how to quickly get set up, and then we're going to break this video up into going into some deeper features. So first off, just to give you a little bit of a tour, when you first log into Consolidata, you're going to be taken to this page. You can see up here you have reports, sources, dashboard, and onboarding. Reports is something that we're going to go into in another video. This would be more like if you're trying to map data to a Google Sheet and have it update that sheet in real time. In this initial video, we're going to spend more time on sources and dashboards so that way you get a little bit of a feel for it. You don't need to worry about this onboarding button. That is only something that admins have to be able to help people with their accounts. So as we get right into this platform, first thing you're going to need to do is go to sources and add some sources. Now, I want to share one thing here with you. When you click on the Facebook source, you have to make sure that you've been invited to use our API key. Now, if you do not know if you've been invited to use our API key, then that means you have not been invited to use our API key. When you first start a platform, Facebook wants it to be in beta for a little while before they authorize it for just the general public. So here's what you're going to need to do. Go into your Facebook account and give us your user ID or user profile name. Drop that here in the messenger and just say, hey, I need to get an invite for Facebook. Once you accept our invite, then once you utilize this, it'll work. Right now, if you click on it, there's going to be an error that will pop up. Then you can add any other accounts that you need, and then we go here into our dashboards. When you go into a dashboard, you can create a folder if you want to organize your dashboards, but otherwise, we'll go ahead here and we're just going to click on this. You would type in whatever folder name you want, and it's going to take you to a page like this. Here you have basically, it's so self-explanatory. This is going to be your dashboard, and now we're deciding what data sources do we want to add into that dashboard. Once we know, then we can go here into our, and I'm actually going to delete this because this is a demo dashboard here. We can go in and we can turn off our mock data, and now we can see that we have a platform with all of our stats that we can then customize and change. Now, one thing that I want you to note is that over here it's very simple. It's kind of like a funnel builder. So you got your normal settings. You can change your header color, your background color. This here would be if you're wanting to add new sections or new columns that are in here. And then under charts, this would be where you could drag and drop different types of charts. Like for instance, if I wanted to add a pie chart, I can just drag this right in here. And then once I do that, then I just need to add some sources that I want to put in here. So for instance, I could go here and type in attributes, and then I could pull in a little bit of whatever I want. I can pull this up and it's going to give me some data. So I'm just dragging in random stuff here. So there's really no rhyme or reason to why you would put that into a pie chart, but you get the point as to how this works. Once you have created a dashboard, which we're going to go deeper in on the next video, you have over here a share link that you can then share with anyone, or you could embed it into like a custom menu link, say for instance in Go High Level. And now you have a chart here that does not have the editor. So you could share this with your clients. You could put this into a page however you want, and that's pulling in data in real time. So now in this next video, we're going to go into adding your Go High Level integration under the data sources, and then we'll get much deeper into the editor. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and thank you very much.